Your power tool batteries are the heart of your tools, but are you storing them the right way? Improper storage can shorten their lifespan, reduce performance, and even create safety hazards. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, knowing how to store your batteries correctly will save you money and keep your tools ready for action. In this guide, we'll uncover the best practices, common mistakes, and expert tips to ensure your batteries last longer and perform at their peak. Stay tuned. Your tools will thank you. Storing power tool batteries correctly is essential for maximizing their lifespan and ensuring peak performance. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, understanding the best practices for battery storage can significantly impact the effectiveness and longevity of your tools. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the crucial aspects of proper battery storage, providing detailed instructions to help you do it right. We'll also highlight common pitfalls to avoid and offer expert tips to ensure you manage your power tool batteries like a professional. Let's get started on mastering the art of how to store power tool batteries. Why is proper battery storage important? As we may notice in life, proper storage of batteries not only brings many benefits and convenience, but also avoids potential risks. In the first place, proper battery storage is critical to maintaining the health and efficiency of your power tools. When batteries are stored correctly, they preserve their charge capacity, which means they degrade less over time and remain reliable for use. This ensures that your tools perform at their best, delivering consistent power when needed. Moreover, storing batteries properly mitigates safety risks. Incorrect storage can lead to dangerous outcomes like leakage, corrosion, or even fires, especially if batteries are exposed to extreme conditions. By adhering to recommended storage practices, you protect not just the batteries, but also your workspace and yourself from potential hazards. Additionally, proper storage of batteries can lead to significant cost savings. Batteries that are well maintained require less frequent replacements, helping to manage expenses better. It's not only a maintenance best practice, but also a financially smart strategy that prolongs the life of your investments in power tools. Finally, in professional settings, the way you store batteries might also need to comply with certain health and safety regulations, making proper storage a critical aspect of regulatory compliance and avoiding legal issues. How to store lithium-ion power tool batteries safely. Storing lithium-ion power tool batteries safely is crucial for maximizing their lifespan and ensuring they remain effective and safe over time. This section provides detailed guidelines on how to store lithium power tool batteries properly when not in use. Choose the right environment. Whether you are wondering how to store power tool batteries in winter or in summer, the first step in safely storing lithium-ion batteries is selecting the right environment. These batteries should be stored in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can significantly impact battery performance and may lead to faster degradation of the battery cells. Ideally, the storage area should be temperature controlled, maintaining a steady, moderate temperature to prevent any damage. It's also important to avoid areas with high humidity to prevent corrosion or other moisture-related damage. Maintain optimal charge levels. An essential aspect of storing lithium-ion batteries is maintaining them at the right charge level. It is recommended to store these batteries with a charge level of about 40% to 60%. Storing batteries either fully charged or fully depleted can lead to decreased battery efficiency and lifespan. A partially charged state helps in maintaining battery health during periods of inactivity. Check the charge status periodically and recharge to the recommended level if it drops due to natural discharge over time. Prevent physical damage. Physical care is also vital. Store the batteries in a protective case or a designated storage area where they won't be jostled or dropped. Keep them away from sharp objects and ensure that they are not subjected to physical stress, which could lead to internal damage or leaks. Moreover, batteries should be kept away from metallic objects like coins or tools, which could create a short circuit and lead to safety hazards. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for specific storage, instructions, and safety tips. Most manufacturers provide detailed care instructions that are tailored to the design and chemistry of their batteries. This might include advice on the ideal storage temperature, charging cycles, and safety precautions. To observe, mistakes to avoid. When storing power, tool batteries. Storing power tool batteries might seem straightforward. Just follow the guidelines. However, it's not always as simple as it sounds. Several common pitfalls can compromise the performance and safety of your batteries. Here are them. Storing in extreme temperatures. Heat and cold can degrade battery performance. Avoid leaving batteries in extremely hot areas, such as garages during summer or in freezing conditions. Ideally, store them in a cool, dry place between 40-degree fans and 80 degrees, 4 degrees C and 27 degrees. Storing fully discharged or fully charged. Storing lithium-ion batteries when they're completely discharged or fully charged can reduce their lifespan. It's best to store them at around 40–60% charge to avoid stress on the battery cells. Leaving batteries on the charger. Leaving batteries on the charger for extended periods, especially after they're fully charged, can lead to overcharging and eventual battery degradation. Always remove them from the charger once fully charged, exposing to moisture. Humidity or moisture can lead to corrosion, causing permanent damage to the battery. Always store batteries in a dry area, away from water or humid environments. Conclusion. You know how to store power tool batteries. From our comprehensive discussion, it's clear that adhering to a few key guidelines, such as maintaining a charge level of 40–60% before storage and avoiding environments with extreme moisture and temperature variations, will ensure the longevity and safety of your batteries. By diligently following these simple but vital rules, as well as steering clear of the common pitfalls listed above, you can significantly extend the life of your power tool batteries. How to store lithium batteries when not in use? When not in. Used lithium batteries should be stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. It's best to maintain a charge level of approximately 40% to 60%. This prevents the battery from entering a deep discharge state, which can be harmful. Regularly check the batteries every few months to ensure they are maintained at this optimal charge level. How long can a power tool battery be stored? Power tool batteries, when stored correctly, can remain functional for up to 2 years without significant degradation. However, it's essential to store them under optimal conditions and check their charge periodically to maintain their health. Should I remove the battery from the power tool for long-term storage? Yes, it is advisable to remove the battery from the power tool if you plan on storing it for an extended period. This minimizes the risk of accidental activation and reduces the drain on the battery. Should lithium batteries be stored full or empty? Lithium batteries should ideally be stored with a charge level of about 40% to 60%. Storing the batteries either fully charged or completely empty can lead to reduced efficacy and lifespan. A partially charged state helps maintain battery health during inactive periods. Now that you know how to store power tool batteries the right way, it's time to put these tips into action. A few simple habits, like storing them at the right charge level and avoiding extreme temperatures, can make a huge difference in performance and longevity. Don't let poor storage ruin your investment. Want more expert DIY and tool care tips? Subscribe to DIYer Tools and never miss out on game-changing advice for your workshop. Hit that subscribe button now and power up your knowledge.